How has using Page Ladder helped you stay on track when submitting your pages on time?
Page Ladder has helped me stay on track because it gives me a deadline. Like, you can set multiple actual deadlines, so you can do like mini deadlines for the kids. So you could set one maybe for like modules and headlines, like a map, and then you could set one for actual content on the page and interviews, and then your final deadline. So it allows them to see multiple deadlines and allows us to know what's due and when it's due.
In what ways has Page Ladder made it easier to organize and keep track of your page submissions?
Okay, so Page Ladder allows us to flow in topics, and it allows us to flow in deadlines, and it also allows us to assign it to specific students. You can quickly swap out names, change the dates, and then reorganize. You can even reorganize, and when you reshuffle, those things still stick with the pages, or you can manually go in and change it. So it just helps us keep track of what's where, even if the ladder itself changes.
How has the deadline tracking feature in Page Ladder impacted your workflow during yearbook creation?
So it affects our workflow because we can pivot and adjust if something happens, like say something happens in pop culture or in the world, or something happens on campus. We can quickly make changes and we can quickly adjust. We can quickly reassign if a student transfers schools, or if we have to take in a new influx of a student from a counselor who's blessed us. We can always make changes, and it allows us to quickly shift and move things.
What benefits have you noticed from being able to upload and submit your pages directly from the ladder?
Because the kids can see the dates and they know when things are late, they can track where they are in their deadline, and it will tell them like how many days they have left for that particular page or particular spreads. So it keeps them accountable and keeps them on track. And it allows us to, because we can set mini deadlines along the way, it allows us to not miss deadlines. Because we can manage them in smaller chunks, we're able to meet and submit our deadlines, which are very important to the plant.
How has the Page Ladder improved communication and clarity around submission deadlines for your yearbook team?
It allows my editors to see, and it allows the students to see. So there's no mixed signals. There's no well, I thought it was due here, or I thought it was due at this particular date. It's clear and it's evident every time they log into YBA. They can see it quickly and access it off from their main screen.